Hey guys, it's Anna here at Dee's with a beautiful swag for Christmas time. It's just like the ones we made all summer and all fall long, where you make the swag piece and then you can attach it to a number of different things. And you guys, this one is beautiful. It's got a great stem, it's got great ribbon in it, and you're gonna love it. So first up, the stem are these beautiful mixed magnolia berry picks. So it's got a little eucalyptus, it's got a magnolia and some berries, and you're gonna do two of those. You're gonna do one kind of going up and one kind of going down. This one I've already fluffed out a little bit, but the ribbon is beautiful. So first up is this Merry Christmas Y'all. It's the nice rich red ribbon and it's got the white writing. And then I also chose a 1.5 inch plaid, and I love this. It's kind of like a traditional plaid, just a really pretty green with two shades of green and some red in there. So again, you can use it a number of different ways. I'm going to start out by putting it on the long needle pine wreath base. But if you have your traditional wreaths, like the traditional pine wreaths, it's going to look great on there too. It's going to really show up. It's a nice way to freshen these up too. If you have these at home and you haven't done anything with them in a while, you want to take everything off and start over, this is a great little swag to add to the side of it. And this swag kit on shopdeeslouisville.com is only $26. So if you had two of these, double doors, something like that, it'd be a really nice, inexpensive way to freshen it up. And you can also put it on a lantern. So when I'm done, I'll kind of hold it over there so you can see what it looks like. But to start out, I'm going to take both the stems, I'm going to cut the price tags off, and I'm going to cut the stems off. So again, I'm going to leave a little bit just so it doesn't fall apart, because if you cut too far up, everything's going to fall apart because that's where it's wired together. I'm going to do this one too. And then I'm going to lay them facing opposite directions. So I'm going to do this one kind of going up that I've already fluffed. Let me fluff this one out a little bit. And then I'm going to lay this one right here too. So they're just kind of like, and again, this is a great way to do a piece for your mantle. So I'm laying them like this and I'm going to put it on a wreath. But why couldn't you tie your ribbon in the middle, lay it on a mantle, put it on a mailbox? Great way to use that. So I'm going to hold it up there, make sure it's kind of positioned where I want. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to go on and tie my bow. So I'm going to take my Merry Christmas Y'all ribbon first. And it's just like we made all the ones during the fall, all those traditional neutral fall swags, the summer stuff with the flip-flops and the ice cream cones, all those. So I'm going to go on and make my two loops. And I left those loops a little bit bigger because I like that ribbon a lot. I want it to show up. And in the kit, you'll have enough to make your bow this big. I'm going to cut my tail. I'm going to take the smaller one right on top. Leave your little piece going up just like I did on this one. I'm going to make a couple loops. Twist that. This ribbon is pretty on both sides, the plaid is, so you wouldn't have to twist it like you did on the Merry Christmas. But I just did 2 loops of that and it just shows up really well. Leave a nice long tail there too. Grab your wire. Go right where your hand's holding it and then grab those 2 stems. If it's easier, you can tie your bow off in a knot so you don't lose it trying to hold it and tie your stems. I'm going to go on and tie it. And then I'm going to take my 2 stems, hold them up. I'm going to go right in the middle where they cross just so I get everything in there. Tie it in a nice, strong double knot. So it really holds, and then that way, when you're done, say you want to move it, you want to use it somewhere else, or you just want to use your wreath for something else, you can just take it right off. It's its own piece. Now I'm going to twist it onto this long needle pine wreath. And now I'm ready to finish fluffing it and cutting those tails. So I'm going to start by cutting the tails. I'm going to fluff out that ribbon. I'm going to move my stems kind of back to the front. Like, these are beautiful berries. I want to bring those to the middle, kind of in front of the bow. Maybe bring this tail over that way, this one this way. And as you can see, that was so quick and easy to add to brighten up a wreath. So these are wreaths you may have at home, you may have them from somewhere else, and it's just a nice way to make it more personal. You could tie it anywhere on this wreath. I kind of did the bottom left. Again, if you had double doors, you could mirror it. You could even do it kind of up here. And the nice thing is too, it's not too big of a piece. I can twist this off and use it so many different places. Like how beautiful would it be on this lantern right here? You could twist it right at the top. And it makes for a gorgeous lantern swag. So on this, I might cut those tails a little bit shorter, but how pretty is that? So again, use it on a traditional pine wreath, a lot of different ways. So that's going to be up on shopdeeslouisville.com. I hope you've been enjoying all the videos. We're going to have so many more to come for this Christmas season, and we look forward to seeing you.